If you are passionate about turning rough stones into beautiful, polished gems, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the top 5 Electric Rock Tumbler Kits 2025, Easy and Efficient Polishing, where we explore the best tools to make your rock tumbling experience smooth and fun. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned hobbyist, these kits are designed to deliver excellent results with minimal effort. The products links are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, we have the National Geographic Rock Tumbler Kit, an exceptional choice for beginners and hobbyists who want to experience the joy of turning rough, ordinary rocks into dazzling polished gemstones. This comprehensive kit is designed not only to provide fun, but also to offer an educational experience that sparks curiosity and creativity, especially among children and young learners. Its durable motor ensures years of reliable operation, making it a lasting investment for anyone interested in geology or crafting. What truly sets this tumbler apart is its leak-proof rubber barrel, which significantly reduces noise by up to 75% compared to traditional plastic barrels, allowing you to enjoy the tumbling process without the loud distractions that come with other models. The kit is thoughtfully designed with simple, one-touch controls that allow you to set the tumbling duration and automatically shut off once the cycle is complete, so you can conveniently set it and forget it. Beyond the tumbler itself, this kit is packed with everything needed to start your gemstone polishing journey right away. 4 different polishing grits tailored to progressively refine your stones, a sifter to help separate grit from the polished stones, and 9 types of real rough gemstones that provide variety and learning opportunities. It also includes a detailed full-color learning guide that helps users understand the science behind rock tumbling and gemstone formation, making it an excellent STEM activity for children.
At number 2, we have the Leegol Double Drum Electric Rock Tumbler, a powerful and professional-grade tumbler designed for enthusiasts who want to polish more stones efficiently and quietly. This tumbler features 2 3-pound barrels, allowing you to tumble multiple batches of rocks simultaneously, which significantly speeds up the polishing process. Powered by a durable motor that ensures long-lasting performance, this tumbler includes rubber-lined, leak-proof barrels that operate 75% quieter than typical plastic barrels, providing a peaceful experience while polishing your collection. The rubber material also allows you to polish a larger volume of rocks at once, making it more efficient than smaller 1-pound or 2.5-pound barrels. Detailed instructions walk you through the entire rock tumbling process step by step, making it accessible for beginners and convenient for more experienced users. The Leegol tumbler mimics the natural action of flowing water or ocean waves, which smooth rocks over time through constant motion and abrasion. This mechanical process is designed to simulate how beaches and riverbeds naturally shape stones, rounding and smoothing them gradually. While nature's method takes years, this tumbler condenses the polishing into a manageable 4 to 6 weeks, providing dazzling results in less time. The kit comes with essential accessories, including 2 half-pound bags of walnut shell media, 5 V-belts, and clear instructions to ensure a smooth tumbling experience. Operating at 120 volts and 60 Hz, it fits well into most home settings.
At number 3, we have the Dan&Darci Professional Rock Tumbler Kit, a standout option for those who want to turn rough stones into beautifully polished gems while enjoying an educational and engaging experience. This advanced kit is designed with a powerful, heavy-duty motor that guarantees long-lasting performance, making it perfect for hobbyists and serious rock tumblers alike. The tumbler features a leak-resistant barrel with a 1-pound capacity that operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy the tumbling process without disruptive noise. What truly elevates this kit are its advanced features, including adjustable speed controls that provide more precise tumbling results, and a 9-day timer with automatic shutoff, all conveniently displayed on a sleek LCD screen. This level of control allows users to tailor each tumbling cycle for optimal results, depending on the type and size of rocks being polished. The complete kit comes with 4 different grit packets that gradually refine the stones, a half-pound assortment of rough rocks to get you started, a mesh strainer for easy separation, jewelry fasteners, and a gem storage bag to keep your polished treasures safe. To guide users through the process, there is an illustrated and easy-to-follow instruction and learning guide booklet that makes rock tumbling accessible and fun, even for beginners. More than just a hobby tool, this kit fosters a love for science, geology, and mineralogy, making it an excellent STEM project that captivates both children and adults.
At number 4, the KomeStone K1 Rock Tumbler Kit brings a new level of excitement and advanced features to rock polishing enthusiasts in 2025. This upgraded tumbler is designed to turn rough, raw rocks into brilliantly smooth gemstones, making it a perfect project for kids learning patience or jewelry makers seeking inspiration. The tumbler boasts a built-in LCD screen that displays a 9-day timer, 3 speed controls, and a convenient pause and resume function, offering unprecedented control over the tumbling process. Its thickened rubber barrel is not only durable, but also 100% soft, absorbing impact to reduce noise by 75%, comparable to the quiet hum of a dishwasher. With a generous 2.5-pound capacity, this tumbler allows you to polish 2.5 times more rocks than traditional 1-pound barrels, making it ideal for serious hobbyists who want to maximize productivity. The kit includes everything you need to get started right away: the tumbler, the barrel, 1 pound of rough rocks, 6 replacement belts, 4 grits designed for progressive polishing, precision ceramic media gifted in the package, and a full-color instructional guide so simple that even a 4-year-old can operate it independently. The KomeStone K1 employs a science-backed 4-stage grit system, including 60, 120, 150, and 1200 grits, combined with ceramic media to produce museum-quality shine and smoothness on your stones. Its leak-proof stainless steel lid guarantees a mess-free tumbling experience. Additionally, the exclusive guide unlocks professional polishing techniques to elevate your skills and results. At number 5, the KoolStone C1 Rock Tumbler Kit offers a fantastic tumbling journey that transforms rough rocks into polished gemstones, making it an engaging family project perfect for parents and children to enjoy together. This updated tumbler features a large 2.5-pound capacity barrel, allowing you to polish more stones each cycle and increase your productivity. One of its standout improvements is the quieter operation, thanks to its rubber barrel that reduces noise by 75% compared to most plastic barrels, making it a much more pleasant experience to run indoors without disruption. The tumbler is equipped with 3 speed controls, which offer more granular tumbling results and help you tailor each polishing session to your specific needs. A 9-day timer with automatic shutoff and memory function is displayed on a clear digital screen, providing precision and ease of use. This means you can set the tumbler to run exactly as long as needed, then rest assured it will stop when finished. The KoolStone C1 kit comes fully loaded with everything required for tumbling right out of the box, including a durable rock tumbler, a 2.5-pound capacity rubber barrel, 1 pound of 9 different types of rough gemstones, 6 belts, 4 polishing grits, ceramic contact media, a sifter to separate grit from stones, jewelry fastenings for creating wearable gems, and an illustrated tutorial guide that simplifies the learning process.